Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 6. In the reaction above, what volume of hydrogen will be left over when 300 cm cube of oxygen and 1000 cm cube of hydrogen are exploded in a sealed tube? Now this question here is under Lussac's law of combining volumes. Because Lusac's law of combining volumes says that when gases react, they do so in ratios which have do so in volumes which have simple ratios to one another and to the products if gaseous, provided that the temperature and pressure remains constant. Now looking at these two reactants here and the products, you notice that they are all in gaseous form, so therefore Lusac's law applies to these gases. Now looking at these gases, they actually react in simple ratios. Looking at it now, 2 moles of hydrogen is requires 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of water in gaseous form, which is steam. Now 300 centimeter cube of oxygen reacted with 1000 centimeter cube. Now this is what the volume of the reactant. Let's call this volume of reactant. Volume of reactant. Now let's look at the combining volumes now. Combining volumes, because the combining volumes also will be in the same simple ratio as the mole of these gases. Since 2 moles of hydrogen requires 1 mole of oxygen to react, therefore, and 1 mole of oxygen is 300 centimeter cube, so the combining volume of oxygen is 300 centimeter cube. Then the combining volume of hydrogen also will be 2 multiplied by 300, and that will be equals to 600 centimeter cube. That's the combining volume of hydrogen. So that means 600 centimeter cube combined with 300 centimeter cube of oxygen to give us also 600 centimeter cube of steam. Now the volume of the reactant, which is volume of hydrogen, is 1000 centimeter cube, but the combining volume now is 600 centimeter cube. Now to find the remaining volume will be equals to 1000, which is the volume of hydrogen minus the reacting or the combining volume, which is 600, and that is equals to 400 centimeter cube. So 400 centimeter cube is the volume of hydrogen remaining, which is the volume that is left over after the reaction. So the answer to the question is option B. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions.